goes on top of here. This would be the output side. Get your brake off last. By then you should have nothing else left on the housing. You got this washer and bearing. So one way is the race, so you got one way that goes on the bearing, and this is the other side. Collar comes off. You got 3 oil rings right here. You can take these off in a second though. That's what those oil rings do. They release like this. So you kind of just pop them out. Looks like this whole shaft is just going to want to come out. Let's take that apart. Looks like we got a set of clutches here, steels and clutches, and the planetary on the inside. Trying to get this one to line back up.